y'all, so me and Jalen are going to see our apartment.
You gotta show them the outside. You gotta show them
Well,
the
I
outside.
want them to see how our apartments look.
Why? Yeah, they gotta see that we live nice.
It's so extra. This is a nice building. It is. It looks very bougie. This is very luxury. This is a luxury apartment.
I look so light-skinned
Anyways, so we're going to see if our apartment is open, and she's checking to see if the key works. And then them stairs, I'm tired. My legs burning. But it's on the third floor. Is it closed?
The lights are on.
Yay! Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the empty apartment, and then when me and Jada move in, we're gonna give you a furnished apartment tour, and then yeah, we're gonna go from there.
Make sure you take a detailed tour.
I am
Everything.
But so you want to tour it? You want to do it and show them everything, and I record you?
Oh sure, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, so we'll be back. This is our first apartment. Oh, you gotta take your shoes off at the door.
Coming your way.
So, it's the kitchen. Everything is so nice.
Smells good in here.
It does. It smells like fresh paint. This is the kitchen. As you can see, we have a lot of counter space and cabinet space. This is not small. This is your room. It's smaller. It's bigger than mine. And you see how 2 closets look? This is Jalen's bathroom. That's from them grouting and stuff, though. Oh, I like these shower heads. We're gonna clean anyways, Jay. She has 2 closets. One is smaller and one is bigger. This is the living room. Jalen's supposed to be showing y'all the apartment, but this is the apartment. I love that fan. This is nice.
You like it?
Yes, this is my bathroom.
And so the tubs, are they going to clean the tubs?
I'll ask him to get them cleaner.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have counter space. That's good. I don't have a big tub, but I don't really care about that. It comes with washer and dryer. Brand new. This is my room. This is my closet.
About the windows?
What are you talking about?
The windows. What is that? What she was talking about?
Because it's cold.
Oh. So whatever.
Yeah. It's weird because we live in Florida and we don't get that a lot.
Yeah.
But yeah. I love this bathroom. It looks so good. Is it? It needs to be clean.
Look at that tub.
I'm not gonna look at the tub. And this is the front, a coat closet. This is good. This is nice. And then we have another, I think this is a utility closet. Yep, it is. I love this apartment.
You love it?
I love it. It's so beautiful. It smells brand new. Everything is brand new. Okay, y'all. You mad? Okay, y'all. So we toured our first apartment, and now we're about to call Tico. We'll show y'all the furnished one when we get it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.